Today we'll make these really cool resin coasters. Canada Day is just around the corner and this project is inspired by it. Here are the supplies you'll need. You can visit my website for the Amazon links to get these. First we need 50 ml of resin mix, so we'll pour 25 ml of resin and 25 ml of hardener and start mixing them together. Next we'll add the acrylic paint. Just a couple of drops should be enough. I used a toothpick to help me with it. We stir again until we get an evenly colored mix. Optionally, add the white sparkle powder. I did this just to give it a marbled texture, but it's not necessary. Mix the powder until it's fully dissolved. Bring in your coaster mold and pour the mix in each cavity. Make sure to distribute the resin evenly. As you see, it seems like the resin is not covering the full surface of the mold, but this is just fine, as we don't want a thick layer anyway. So, with the help of your stirring stick, spread the resin so it covers the whole mold. Burst any bubbles with the help of a lighter. And when done, cover the mold and let it dry for around 3 hours on top of a flat surface so it dries evenly. While the resin dries, use Mod Podge to cover the leaves. This is a totally optional step just to give the leaves a more lustrous look and to pop their color. Coat the top of the leaves till they are fully covered. As Mod Podge dries, it'll get entirely translucent. Next, we'll attach the leaves to the molds. At this point, our resin is not fully dry yet, so it's tacky enough so the leaves can stick to it. Carefully tap all over the leaves to ensure they are fully attached. You can use the stirring stick to reach all areas of the leaf, just make sure not to damage it. Once done, let it sit for another half an hour. Now mix another 50 ml of resin mix, 25 ml of resin and 25 ml of hardener again. Mix thoroughly for around 5 minutes. Once ready, pour the translucent mix onto the molds. Like in the first step, use your stirring stick to help the resin reach all edges. Once you are happy with the pour, take your lighter to burst the bubbles. And let it dry. After around 8 hours, your coasters should be ready, so let's pop them out. You should have something like this. Isn't it beautiful? I just love the way the lid pops out on the white background. I got a little carried away and ended up making another batch. This time I used black acrylic paint and yellow leaves with square molds. Which one do you like best? Let me know in the comments below. And if you try this, share your pics with me on social media. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!